Austin homeowners looking to increase their home's value often focus on renovations, landscaping, and curb appeal. While these efforts are essential, one of the most effective and often overlooked ways to enhance property value is residential junk removal. Clearing out unnecessary clutter not only improves aesthetics but also has practical benefits that appeal to potential buyers and appraisers alike. Here's how professional junk removal in Austin can boost your home's worth and create a more appealing living space. Enhances curb appeal. First impressions matter in real estate. When potential buyers or appraisers visit your home, they immediately evaluate its exterior appearance. Old furniture, broken appliances, or discarded materials in your yard can make your property look neglected and reduce its perceived value. Hiring a professional junk removal service to clear out these eyesores ensures a clean, well-maintained look that enhances your curb appeal and makes a strong first impression. Creates a more spacious interior. One of the most attractive features for home buyers is space. A cluttered home appears smaller, disorganized, and less functional. Removing excess furniture, outdated items, and accumulated junk allows each room to showcase its full potential. This creates a more open and inviting atmosphere, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves living in the space. Increases usable living space. A home with an overloaded garage, basement, or attic can be seen as having wasted space. Converting these areas into functional living or storage spaces by eliminating junk increases the usable square footage of your home. A cleared-out basement could serve as a home office, gym, or guest room, while an organized garage can highlight additional storage options, all of which add value in the eyes of potential buyers. Improves safety and reduces hazard. A cluttered home is not just unsightly, it can also be dangerous. Old items, broken furniture, and piles of stored junk can create tripping hazards, fire risks, and pest infestations. Professional junk removal helps eliminate these dangers, making your home safer for current residents and more appealing to buyers looking for a move-in ready property. Helps with home staging. Staging is a crucial part of selling a home. It involves arranging furniture and decor to highlight the home's best features while keeping it neutral enough for buyers to imagine their belongings in the space. A decluttered home is much easier to stage effectively. Removing excess items makes it possible to position furniture strategically, improving flow and functionality in each room, ultimately increasing your home's marketability. Maximizes market value and appraisal potential. A well-maintained, junk-free home is more likely to receive a higher appraisal value. Appraisers assess the overall condition and cleanliness of a property when determining its worth. If your home appears neglected due to clutter and debris, it could lead to a lower valuation. By investing in professional junk removal, you ensure that your home presents itself in the best possible condition, maximizing its market value. Speeds up the selling process. Homes that are clean and clutter-free sell faster. Potential buyers are more likely to make an offer when they can clearly see a home's layout, space, and potential. Additionally, A well-organized property often undergoes fewer inspection issues, reducing delays and increasing the likelihood of a smooth sale. Eco-friendly disposal and recycling. Many professional junk removal services in Austin offer eco-friendly disposal methods, ensuring that unwanted items are recycled or donated instead of ending up in a landfill. This not only benefits the environment but also enhances your home's appeal to buyers who prioritize sustainability. Final thoughts. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to improve its overall value, residential junk removal is a simple yet effective solution. From enhancing curb appeal to increasing usable space and improving safety, decluttering can make a significant difference in your home's marketability and worth. If you're in Austin and looking for a professional junk removal service, now is the time to take action and transform your home into a more valuable, appealing, and functional space.